In today's video, I am going to teach you how to quickly make multiple charts in Excel. To get started, open your Excel workbook and go to the worksheet where your data is located. The goal of this method is to use a single selection of your information so you can generate chart options quickly without having to manually set everything up one chart at a time. Before you click anything, take a quick look at your data and make sure it is organized in a clear grid with headers across the top and values underneath. Next, you will select your data range. In this example, that range is from cell A1 to D5. Click on cell A1, then hold and drag your mouse down and across until you reach cell D5. As you highlight, you should see the entire block of information turn shaded, indicating that Excel will use that set of cells for chart creation. This step matters because Excel needs the correct rows and columns to detect labels and series, which helps it choose chart types that make sense. Once your cells are selected, the next action is to click the area in Excel for chart suggestions. Look for the option called Recommended Charts. It is usually shown in the ribbon under Chart Settings, often near the Insert tab. When you click Recommended Charts, Excel will analyze the selected data and generate chart ideas that fit your layout. This makes the process faster because you do not have to guess which chart type will work best. Now, after you click Recommended Charts, you should see a panel or window appear with chart thumbnails. These thumbnails represent different chart styles that Excel thinks are compatible with your selected range. At this stage, you do not need to change any settings manually. Instead, focus on the preview cards and read what you can see in each example. The chart options may look different in terms of how they display categories, series, and trends, which gives you a quick sense of what will communicate your data most clearly. Then choose any chart types you want to use. In many versions of Excel, you can select one or more chart thumbnails from the suggestions. Pick the ones that match what you are trying to show. If you want multiple charts in your worksheet, select multiple thumbnails, as long as Excel allows you to add more than one from the suggestions list. Take a moment here to choose confidently, because these chart choices will be based on the data you selected earlier. After you have selected the chart thumbnails, you will click OK to confirm your choices. This final confirmation step tells Excel to create the charts using your selected dataset and the chart styles you picked. Once you click OK, Excel will insert the charts into your worksheet. You may see them appear in a row, a column, or in the chart area depending on your Excel layout and how many charts you selected. Now that the charts are added, review them briefly to make sure everything looks correct. Check that the chart titles, labels, and data series are displayed properly. If something looks off, it is often related to the original data selection, so you can always return to the worksheet, adjust the selected range, and try again. But if your headers and values were included correctly, Excel usually handles the chart setup smoothly. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.